Hi, this is a short video to show teachers how to make a paper attendance record. So the reason we have paper attendance is to use when you have an on-campus class. It's backup for your computer attendance record. So the policy is obviously we take attendance on the computer and we report it like that daily, but this is a backup should you ever need to verify it or go back and just say, why a student was absent or whatever. It can also be useful to help to learn student names. So when you have a new class, to have the names in front of you helps you to refer to them more easily. Notes can be added to the paper for other matters like behavior, computer issues, maybe attendance things. You might want to write that down. And also paper attendance is very useful in emergency evacuation. So a teacher has a responsibility when there's a fire alarm to take attendance for the students when they leave the building to make sure everyone's out safely. If you have to take your laptop and use My Apps, it's not as convenient as just a piece of paper that you can just tick off the name. So this is where it would prove useful. The reason why I'm making this video is that teachers should really make their own attendance records, paper attendance that is. This reduces the admin. There's a lot of groups to keep track of and make sure everyone has it, but also you can keep them more up to date perhaps than even student services or the managers could, because you know the students that are in the class. You can write down which ones are no-shows. You can keep it cleaner. So this video will show you how to do that. To make the attendance sheet, you need the template, which you can ask your managers for, which looks something like this, or it might be different. And then you would need a list, up-to-date list of student names. So for the attendance sheet, I'm just going to change the name of the class. This is going to be class 1A4. And then I just need to copy the student names in. So I go to the spreadsheet with the names. I would find my student names and then I would copy them and paste them into here. So I've copied all of them across now. Sometimes it runs over a little bit. You can extend it if you want to, but just by clicking on that, and that will extend it. And then these 12 students below aren't needed. So I would delete those rows. Okay, and there is my attendance sheet ready. I would go to File, Print, and then here is your printed attendance sheet for use in the classroom. Okay, thank you.